Hello everyone and welcome to this new Web3 video. Today I found another Web3. Actually, I think it's been 1 or 2 days it's been released. It's not a long time, and it's going to big community. Actually, you're seeing the Twitter. It's 42k followers, and it's the token name is Docs, and it's verified by Telegram. So it's not something special about this, but when you open this Web3 game, so let's go. It will tell you the earn a light member. Okay, this is a new one, and it will tell you the account name. So let me open again, because I think I didn't see that part. It will tell you the account age, how long your account has been joined on Telegram, and give you the Docs coin. Actually, this coin that you're seeing, my account age is 4 years. Actually, this account, and it gives me about 3,000 Docs, and it's not something special here, but the leaderboard, you see a lot of people are here, and you can invite friends. I'll put the link on the description to join it, but if you please join with my link. So, and in just a few hours, the community of this Dogs coin just reached about 4 millions. Is as much as I can't even join the channel. It's a lot of actually users are here, and just verified in 1 day, verified by Telegram in 1 day, and I think it's a lot. It's a lot here. I don't know what is bot actually it's gonna do, but it seems amazing. In 1 day you get 4 million of subscribers, and you get, it's increasing actually. You get this big community, and just the robot that give you the age of your account is premium or not. If your Telegram is premium, will give you the coin, and if you have long time Telegram account, you will get more Dogs coin. Actually, it was amazing. You see, my account is 4 years, and it says you were amazing, thank you using Telegram. It's I don't know what's gonna be happen in this Web3 game, but it's actually something. I'm saying again, don't try it as a work, just use it as a hobby. But in 1 day, this community grows a lot, and verified by Telegram, and got about 4 millions of subscribers in just 1 or 2 days. It's amazing. Put the link in the description, just check it out, and make something happen on this one, because it's really amazing. I don't know how this happened in just 1 day. It's actually a lot. I'm trying to join the channel of the community, I can't. It's a lot of members, and they're joining, but I can't still join the channel. I'm trying from this morning and I can't even join the channel. I even tried with different phone number, different phone, and the followings are 0, and the followers, it just have followers, no, doesn't follow anyone. And joined July of 2024. It's amazing. I don't know what's gonna happen on this, but I'm saying again, don't use it as a work. Just look at it as a hobby and play it. Use it as in your free time. But I put the link in the description. Just join it. Maybe something happen here because it grows so fast in a few days and a few hours. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. I actually read all comments as much as I can, so I got a TikTok message. Okay. I try to read as much as I can, and I will answer any comments. I'll put the link in the description. Just check the robot. It's the joining a community is amazing. It doesn't have any special thing, just tell you your premium, how long your account has been working. It's not something special. You can find that in your Telegram setting, but I don't know why this community is growing so fast and it's so big. Even when I'm recording this video, subscribers are moving on. And that's it. I put the link in the description and join it to see what will happen. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. Just I'm saying again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.